If you have an iPhone, you must have been using the iMessages to send free messages between iPhone and send messages to other devices. But a lot of people don't know that these iMessages leak your data and compromise your privacy. So here are 5 settings you need to turn off right away on your iPhone to prevent iMessages from sharing your data. The first one is sharing names and photo. Each time you send a message to someone for the very first time on your iPhone, you might likely share name and your photo without fellow, and this compromise your privacy. What is the way out? Go to the settings button, tap on it. Tap on apps, tap on messages, or you search for messages from the message option here. Locate and tap on share name and photos. Tap on it. Now scroll up to the base of this place. Then you can do 2 things here. First, you may decide to ask first or contact only. Then guys, if I were you, I would turn it off. So each time you send a message to person for the very first time on your iPhone will not send your name as well as your photo with that fellow. So this simple trick prevents iPhone from sending your data to someone else. Now let's move on to the second step. Read receipt. Read receipt is a kind of message notification or information that comes out when someone sends a message to you and you've read it but you've not responded. This is kind of way that shows you've read the message and you can't pretend that you've not read that message. So what is the way out? Is to turn off the settings on your iPhone. So here is how to do it. Tap on settings button, then go ahead and tap on the apps button on your iPhone. Now search for message using the message search bar. Tap on message. Once tap on message, then scroll up until you see read receipt. Let's take a look at that. Read receipt. Make sure that this button is toggled off. If your one is turned on, turn it off. When this is on, people are notified when you have read their messages. This enables read receipt for all conversations. So go ahead and toggle off this button. This will keep your sender from notifying that you've sent or you've read their message. Now let's move on to the third settings. Device connected to your account. You might connected your device to different accounts and you don't know. This might as well compromise your messages. It might as well compromise your identity on your device. So it is always good to check it out and remove if possible. Now, what is the way out? It's very simple. Go to the settings button and tap on it. Now tap on your name here. Scroll up to device. Here where you see your phone name, tap on it. If you have any devices there that is not yours, do well and remove that device from your phone, thereby preventing such device from accessing your privacy on your phone. As well, you can also do this using the settings option. Tap on settings, then scroll up and tap on the apps from your phone. Now tap on messages. Here type in messages to access the message app. Once tap on the messages, scroll up to send and review. So you scroll up to send and review. See under iMessage, if you tap on it, you do not understand or you don't have access to the phone number and the email address under this place, just remove it and put your right information there. Those information that is there and you don't have access to might be accessing your privacy. Now that is what you need to do. Now this takes us to the fourth thing you need to do is show messages content in notification. A lot of iPhone users don't know that their iPhone can expose their information on their device through the notification panel. So what is the way out for this? Is simple. Go ahead and tap on the settings button, then tap on notification. So when you get to this place, then tap on show preview button. Here you see show preview button, tap on it. Make sure it is under when logged make sure it is under when unlocked or never. If it is under when unlocked or never, it means you'll be able to access your messages only when you unlock your phone, or when you unlock your phone, that is the only time you will be able to receive to view your message. So this setting is very crucial on your device. Don't ignore it. The last but not the least here is share with you. This is another setting you need to turn off right away on your iPhone to prevent your iMessages from sharing your data. Doing this is very simple. Tap on settings, then scroll up to the apps and tap on it. From here, search for message as well. Tap on the message. Locate share with you button. Here is share with you button. You can see that here is on. Tap on it. Now here are the apps that you can share your message with. This is what you need to do. Either you tap on this button to toggle it off, or you manually select some of the messages or some of the app here that you want to share with. You can see that Safari is here, so Safari is even accessing our message. Apple TV is accessing us, so music is also accessing our message. Google Map, free form is accessing, file is also accessing our messages. So this is what you need to do to be sure that all your privacy is secure on iMessage, that iMessage is not spreading or collecting your data and share with other apps on your device. If you get this tip and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe so that when we drop another important update like this, you have access to it as soon as possible.